Okay, we're here with my mom, Sandra Lane, and she is a speech pathologist at Central Elementary School here in Pascagoula. Mom, can you tell us a little bit about what the technology was like when you first started as a speech pathologist?
Okay, basically, we didn't have any computers in the school system. Computers were just being introduced in the school system. So the only technology we had was basically typewriters and TV, of course, and stuff like that.
Okay, okay, and so basically everything was kept together on paper or in a file folder.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. It was, most of what I did is writing IEPs and writing reports. They were all handwritten. Very seldom did I use the typewriter, but some people did, but I didn't. I just hand wrote everything.
Okay. And what about now? What do you do now? How has technology changed that process?
Well, now we have a website that we go to access our IEPs, to create IEPs. We use Microsoft Works for Windows to write reports. Those are not web-based, but all our IEPs are web-based. So I'm using that as far as my work goes, and then the software, I use lots of different software with my students too.
Okay, good deal. Could you tell me a little bit about the software changes or the technological changes that you use being a speech therapist and how that has changed?
Yes, I work with a lot of autistic children, and some of them are nonverbal, and they use an augmentative communication device to communicate. Some of these devices are very sophisticated. They can do almost anything that a computer can do. They can hook up to the internet. They can talk on the telephone with it. They can Skype with it. They can it's just amazing. And so those, when I started, those children that were nonverbal used a picture communication system to communicate, and now they're actually using computers.
Okay, good deal. Well, can you tell me maybe where you think technology is heading and what role it plays in education?
Well, right now, Mississippi has a website where children's progress is benchmarked every 9 weeks, and their progress is measured by these benchmarks that they plug to this website. The kids take the little test, and then it's plugged into the website.
Hmm.
I see it all going, students' work and everything being saved to a website. And I even see each student with a computer in the classroom. There will be very little paper in the future, I think.
Okay, great. Well, thank you so much for your time. I really do appreciate it, and I hope anybody that's watching got a little bit out of this. I am using Screener. It's an app for Mac. I'm probably going to do a blog post on it. It's really cheap in comparison to anything else, and it was actually the second highest rated app in the App Store for capturing on-screen images. So, Dr. Strange, if you want to check that out, be sure to do that. Thanks again, Mom, for helping me out with this.
Sure.
Bye now.
Bye. How do I close you up?
Okay.